through the Proeco Africa project, we came and started the participatory market approach project, where through fact-finding and group discussions, it emerged that a local market is required for the farmers to maintain steady productivity as well as steady market linkages, not only for their local markets, but also to boost productivity if they are supplying external markets. So that is how the Kangari Organic Farmers Market came to be last year in October 2020. The Kangari Organic Farmers Market is composed of over 96 farmers, 20 of whom are very active and constantly supply the market, while the rest, they form auxiliary or support, especially when it comes to bulk supplies and bulk orders.
Organic Agriculture Center of Kenya is a local NGO that trains farmers on organic production here in Murang'a County, and our offices are located here in Kangari. So mostly the farmers that we train them on organic production, and we have been doing this since the year 2007. And our training, we're focusing mainly on home production, growing organic food for home consumption. But as we continued with our training, the production increased, the need for market arose, and the farmers were wondering, after eating the organic produce, they needed an extra outlet, and that's how we got to the Kangari Organic Farmers Market. And as OAC, we have also tried to link the farmers with the county government, because the county government is the one that allocates farmers with a price where they can sell their produce. Most of the produce that we find in this market are mostly vegetables, herbs, and we have even fruits and animal products. With the introduction of PMCA project from FIBO and COAN and us, CARO and other partners, we are looking on how this market will evolve, and it will be a role model.
We started this market on October last year, and with that we have benefited a lot. We have widened our market, our farms. We have varieties that we have added to our farms because of the customers' demand. Customers are flocking day by day, and that's why we are happy joining together, working together to satisfy their needs. Our future goal and plan is to extend this market further because we want to reach supermarkets in towns and even other areas where necessary. And we hope that will be okay because we have already done few, and we have supplied in Nairobi and other areas.
Before we had this market, this local market from Kangari, which is in Kangari, I had a lot of challenges. I could grow my crops, and when I bring my produce, I could not sell. When you go, I remember one time I planted a lot of cabbages, thinking since there was shortage, I could get a lot of money. But when I started bringing them, they could not be bought because even the conventional people are still growing cabbages. So what I did, the awareness of the organic made my market, made my produce available, and I was able to sell them in the local market. So when we were introduced the local market, I was very happy because now I can sell all my produce. The change that made me go to the organic farming is that when I was farming the other conventional way, I was using a lot of chemicals, which I knew they were spoiling my health, and I was unable to stop. But since I was introduced to the organic farming, now I have learned and I have accepted it. And since for more than now 12 years, or even for more than 12 years, I've been practicing organic.
5 facilitators. On my left we have Clement, and on the far right we have Lawrence. We have 2 others who are Emma Njoki and Mary Wanjiro, who are instrumental in making sure that we are able to build the trust or facilitate the trust building process among the farmers. On my right we have Jacqueline, who's a coordinator working closely with the Kangari Organic Farmers. And that process of building trust with the retailers, the value chain actors, has been a very significant activity which has seen great fruits and has seen a lot of progress. And one of them we find is the Kangari Organic Farmers Market behind us. In as much as we've seen these progresses and these steps forward, we still have other challenges that come across. And with the goal of improving the markets as well as improving our reach with the organic produce, we cannot eliminate the fact that we need to have better facilities when it comes to storage and presentation of the produce. We need to improve our cold chain to be able to serve more volumes and more far-off markets. We are looking at improving the branding, which would also attract more people and build that awareness about organic produce coming from Kangari Organic Farm.